Hi, this is Brian Shepard from the floor of the CME Group. Today's action is a little bit under stormy conditions. The Midwest and moving out to the East Coast is a pretty big storm. It's the biggest here in 70 years. O'Hare Airport was shut down for a bit. I don't know if it's back up, but that will obviously cause some congestion. Speaking of congestion, we've got the S&P opened up approximately 6 handles lower today. Some of that was based on the UBS missing, disappointing, and also the dollar was a little bit firmer. We've since been able to rally off the opening low, or I'm sorry, the opening range was like 76.5, made a daily low at like the 1174 half area, and we've since rallied up to 82.30. We pretty much covered the range in our IM updates, and we believe right now that we're sitting about 1180 even last. Right now you can get a pullback. We think it's maybe possibly retesting the lows, but there should be some pretty good support in the upper 60s, 1168 area to 1171. On the upside, we look for above settlement price of 82.80, which is still a small gap, current high 82.30. Above the settlement, Top Notch has his daily pivot at 85.80, so that ought to keep a lid on that, and above that we always have that area of 1188 to 1193. I think I've talked about that in the past. It's always a congestion area, anywhere from that 80. It doesn't matter the handle. If you look this, you'll see it always goes 1188 to 1193. First couple of times up, it holds in that area. So I would again think that today's session is going to be a little bit confined, sticking to Top Notch. I'll go with Top Notch. 1185.80 on the upside is a good area of resistance. What we've got looking forward to next week's elections and the FOMC meeting, the results coming out on the 3rd, the elections on the 2nd. As the week progresses, we'll probably be stuck in a little bit tighter range. We do have some economic numbers that will get some hiccups, but currently, the trend hasn't been broken yet. Consumer confidence came out today, and it was just above 50, which is an okay sign. But right now, what we're looking forward to is a little more visibility after next week. So for now, I would say that even over the next couple of days, I think that previous low 1157 area and down to 1152, something like that, over the next few days, if it was to test the downside. I don't think we're going to get caught up in too many big moves, like I say. Have a good day, and hope you stay dry.